So this one we talk about the HR credit number 4. Um, Write the code to draw the output like this, and then this one's how I can do it. So we import the turtle right here, and then the first step, the first one, we draw the first square. It's just like our original square. It's like the hot pink one, like this right here. And then the code is just like this. The draw the original square. We can roll this one like up. We're thinking this one the first square. With the size SY and the color is CL1. So easy to remember CL1 we got the equal to red. So we can see like the first one I draw the red one is here. It's on the bottom. It's a square red. Then you see the code. So just like the T dot color for like the color the one I want to fill inside the square. Begin fill and then pen up back like a size over 2, right 90, forward side over 2 and left 90 and start to draw the square. And next like move T back from first ready to second, just like the code to move back T, the total T to where it start. So like because after we draw the first square, there's somewhere here in the bottom, and then just move T back to the center and be ready to draw the second one, the second square. So this to draw the second square, it's like the blue one, like this one here on the top, this one here, and then it's here the code. But the CL2 is equal to blue. Then we use like a pen up right 90, and then forwards like square root of 2 over 2 times size, and then left 135, and then start to draw the another square. It's another type of the square, so just like another square. And then the same thing with this one here. After we draw the second square is like look like it's like the blue one right here, and move back this one to where it start. So it's the same thing that we roll for the first one right here. We just change like the forward size over 2 to the forward like 2 square root of 2 over 2 times size times sy. And then after that we use like the first square and the second square like a helper function to draw the first and second. The first and seconds mean we got the bottom is the first square and the top is the second square. So here's the code. Draw the first square and then move back to the center, then draw the second and then move back to the center. Do the same thing with like the second one, another one, like this one right here. We got like a second to the bottom, the second square to the bottom, and then the first square to the top. So easy to remember. The CL3 we equal to hot pink and the CL4 equal to light blue. And then we draw the second square and then move back that one to the center and draw the first square, and then we got this one like this right here. And then we got this one, and this will be ready for make this small circle right here. So the next one will be about the center circle. The center circle is this one right here, and we see they have to include all the color. One is a red, second and one color is the CL1 is a red, CL2 is a blue, CL3 is a hot pink, CL4 is like the light blue. So it's equal include all the color. So it's really like a RT small. It's like a radius for like a small square right here with a size CL1, CL2, and to CL4. And the code will be the first one we draw, like we can see this one right here. We have the first square in the bottom and the second square on the top, so it should be draw the square of the first to the second here, and then here the for loop in rank 4 because we repeat this one 4 times only, and you're gonna pan out forward like a radius small, and then pan out and draw you can see this one right here. Draw the same thing like this, but just change the color. So the same thing, change the color CL1, 2 to like 3, 4, and then pan up again, move back to the center, and then turn left 360 over 8 because we repeat this one 8 times. We have this one 8 ones here, so we divide it by 8, and turn left the other angle is like a 360 over 8, and then forward the radius small, and then after that we will turn this one right 45 before we start to draw another one. So this will have you draw the second one, like this one here, like the code that we draw for like with the second one on the bottom and the first one on the top, the first square on the top, and with the color you see the same thing. So just like a 3 and 4, and then pan up again, left 45 because we turn right 45, so we have to turn left 45 again, and then move back, and then pan out, and then turn left the angle 360 over 8, and then we repeat this one 4 times, and after this one 4 times this one here, and 4 times 2 we'll have the 8 in the circle right here like this. So we will make the center circle like that. So first one, and for another one we will see this one where the same thing like here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, the same thing. So we only roll the code like for the first one, this one right here, and the second one like this. And it's only two of the definition that we have to roll. For the first one here, I'll just make the same thing. We'll see this one, the same thing with a center circle, but just change the color, and that's all we have to do. Just change the color. The row of the code is the same, almost the same. So for this one right here, besides the 1 and 2, the color 1, color 2, they will change like a color 3 to the color 4 to hot pink, and then a light blue, and then this one to the red to the light blue. So they don't include the blue one, so we take out the CL2, and the first circle is only include the CL1, CL3, and CL4 with the radius small size and the total T. So just roll the same thing, draw the first to the second with the color change from 1, 2 to like 3, 4 right here, and then just roll the same thing like this. Roll the same thing like we did for the center circle, and then just change the color. For the next one, you can see this one, the outside of the circle is the same thing, change color, but the center just like a switch from we can hear from like this one, the first square to the second square, from this one to the another one, just like just a switch the square. So we see besides we got this one here, the first to the second, we will start this one right here from the second square to the first square. The second on the bottom, and the first on the top. So and then change the color with like The second is like a second to first, and the CL4 and CL3. So CL4 is the light blue, and CL3 um would be the hot pink. So and another code is the same thing. We didn't change anything, only besides like change the color. And after we wrote like three small function for this one, like this one here, and use that one like a helper function. We would draw a big circle. This one right here. So just draw the big circle like we did with like a small circle. Just the same thing. And beside like we draw the small square, the double square. We draw the center circle, the center small circle on in the center, and then start to draw another one like the same thing that we do for the second circle, the first circle, and center circle. Then we got this one right here. And it's only thing another change is for like a radius. We include one more radius, a large one, like for the big circle right here. So it's the only thing that we have to change. Like I got like so I got like the radius small would be like 60, the large one would be 210, and the side would be 30. And the CL1 should equal red, CL2 equal blue, CL3 is equal hot pink, CL4 equal light blue. I think that we try to remember the easy way. So we'll try to run the code and see how it works. So and combine this one, we see like combine this one with like the um the output that we got from the question, we combine it together. It's the same things. So it's work.